If two sets of identical twins get married and each couple has a child, will the resulting children also be identical?
No.
Hello. It's me. To understand the answer to the question, you must first understand the concept of the DNA of identical twins. Identical twins come from the same fertilized egg cell. The cell splits, creating two separate embryos with the same DNA. This leads many people to believe that identical twins are essentially clones of one another. Although their DNA was the same when the cell first split, there are many factors that can contribute to the physical and genetic makeup of a person. The environment can affect how our genes are expressed. External factors will not affect a person's genotype, but it can affect the phenotype, or physical expression of a trait. Epigenetics also play a large role in how the traits of identical twins are expressed. Epigenomes affect part of the genome by activating and deactivating at certain points. Epigenetics are one of the main factors that can affect the expression of traits in identical twins. A copy number variation can also affect the traits of twins. This is when the number of copies of a particular gene varies from one twin to another. As I mentioned before, external environmental factors such as diet and physical activity can also affect the expression of traits. This explains why twins tend to look less similar as they get older. But back to the question at hand. Because of various ways that the genomes of identical twins can be slightly changed after the split of the original cell, the children will be genetically similar but they will not be identical twins. The slight changes in the DNA of identical twins mean that their DNA is not exactly the same, and the changes in the DNA of the parents can be passed down to the children. In conclusion, although the two children will have similar DNA, there will likely be enough genetic differences between them that will not be actual identical twins. Alright, I think that's about it. There will be a test here on Friday. I put a web quest on Canvas. Get to work.